This is the Multivariate Presentation Assignment video for PAL 242Y. It's to this video that you will reply by posting a YouTube video response in order to complete the assignment. As with your bivariate presentation, the assignment is to create a presentation. For this, you need to analyze a multivariate regression, or a set of regressions, that are designed to explain variation in a dependent variable. Beyond regression analysis, of course, you can use other appropriate statistical techniques, such as reliability analysis, cross-tabulation, statistical significance analysis, whatever you think. You should begin by formulating hypotheses about the relationships among your independent variables and your dependent variable. This should be done not off the cuff, but in light of the literature. In working, you should always label your variables appropriately so that anyone viewing the video can understand what it is you are speaking about. You should also identify antecedent or intervening variables and interactions, as this will be an important part of completing a quality assignment. You should focus in your presentation on the substance of the analysis, that is the story that it tells, not on the technique. And keep in mind to incorporate feedback from your teaching assistants from your regression homework sheets. All results should be presented in clear tables and diagrams, as always. This assignment has multiple components. First of all, you need a pseudonym. If your pseudonym is new, you should create a new YouTube account and notify me by March 22nd as to what your pseudonym is. Second component is for you to post as a YouTube response to this video your own presentation, and this should be done by March 25th. Please remember that your syntax should be included in the description of the video, and make sure that the syntax fits by editing it properly. A third component of the assignment is that you need to have a hard copy of the slides of your presentation. And this should be available for submission at the end of the live presentation, but it may also be useful in making the presentation should your PowerPoint fail. The final element is, of course, the live presentation itself, which will be held in you or your partner's tutorial session sometime between March 25th and April 5th. A schedule will be posted regarding these things. I'll now say a few words about each of these components. First of all, we should discuss pseudonyms. As with your bivariate presentation, no real names should appear on the videos. You should use a city name to protect your privacy. The form this should take should be the city, then the year of the course, and then the course name. For example, Izmir 2012 PAL 242Y would be an adequate name. If you've not done it right in the bivariate assignment, please do it correctly this time. But it's okay to use the pseudonym from the bivariate presentation if you did it properly in that instance. Some of you, for various reasons, may need a new synonym, and this requires that you create a YouTube account and give me notice of the name of that YouTube account no later than noon on March 22nd. Keep in mind, if there are two of you working together, please indicate what the names are when you talk to me or send me a message, and in which tutorial session you intend to present. An important component of this assignment, of course, is your YouTube video. It should be posted as a response to this very video. And you should be doing this under your pseudonym from your own new YouTube account. This should be done no later than 12 noon on the 25th of March. Keep in mind that the video should include both images of the slides and a fully audible narration of the results. Instructions on preparing and posting a video response are available on YouTube. The links are shown here as well as in the hard copy of this assignment. Another essential component of your presentation is to have a hard copy of the slides. You only need one copy because these are to serve should there be some sort of technical failure with the computer or your program. And it allows you to make the presentation just using the overhead projector in the room. Um, you should include on the hard copy of the slide your own name and your partner's name if you have one, um, the student number for each of you, and the pseudonym on the title page so that this can be matched to your online video when it's finally graded. Um, this hard copy of the slides should be submitted to me immediately after your live presentation. This enables me to keep better records of what's going on as well as to more effectively evaluate your work. A live presentation before myself and two of the TAs is also an important part of this. The schedule will be posted on our website as to the dates of your particular presentation. You'll need at that time both your PowerPoint and a hard copy of the presentation. The presentation must not exceed 7 minutes. As you know, I will cut you off if need be. You should probably have about 15 slides in a presentation. I've included here a bit of an outline. I'm thinking that you should have a summary of your research question and your approach in 1 or 2 slides. You should use 2 or 3 slides to talk about the rationale of your work and any literature that surrounds it. And then 3 to 5 slides would be devoted to the description of your findings in tables and graph form. I'd expect that a summary of what you've observed should take up about 2 or 3 slides, and a conclusion talking about political or research implications might take 1 or 2 slides. Please keep in mind if you setting up your slideshow, you want to have it on manual advance so that it doesn't move ahead without you. And this can be found by going to the slideshow menu and going to the Setup Slideshow option, and this allows you to set it to manual advance. I'd like to review the 4 components of this assignment here in closing. The first of all is that your pseudonym needs to be in place by March 22nd. It's okay if you use a properly done one from the first term in the bivariate presentation, but you may need a new one for a variety of reasons. The second is the video response needs to be up on YouTube and posted as a video response to this video no later than noon on March 25th. Live presentations occur thereafter between March 25th and April 5th. You should check the schedule to make sure you have the proper time. I then also need you to submit a hard copy of your slides after your presentation. I look forward to these presentations. I hope you enjoy it as you prepare them, and good luck.